Hey, it's Mr. Mon, and it is October 20th. We are on page 40. Our topic today is Investigation 3.3, Magnets at a Distance. Our focus question is, how does the distance from a magnet affect the force of its magnetic field? Before we start today, we're going to look back at page 39 in our notebook, and we're going to share how the strength of the magnet increased or decreased with the number of magnets that you added. And then the big question is, what do you think would happen if you added 5 magnets or 6 magnets? Just something to think about. If you had 5, 6, maybe even 7 or 8 magnets, how would that change how many washers your magnets could hold? And then the objectives for this lesson is to, we're going to create some testable questions. We're going to conduct a controlled experiment, and we're going to graph our information. So, procedures for today, you're going to discuss with your lab group how you think how forces are exerted on magnets and how the distance might change, and you're going to record your ideas in your science notebook. Within your group, you're going to design an experiment to figure out how distance from a magnet affects the force, and then you're going to write a hypothesis. So, how many centimeters, how far away the magnet is going to pull the paperclip. You're going to create an outline and write your procedures for this, for the question. How does the distance from a magnet affect the force of the magnetic field? And then you're going to make a data table to record your observations as you carry out the procedures and fill out your data table. And then you're going to write a conclusion in your science notebook explaining how the distance from the magnet affects the magnetic field. So your to-do list today, there's a lot of things. There are 6 steps to this lab, so you have to do all 6 steps. And then if you get time, your job is to pick an article, one of the remaining articles that we have not read yet, and write a summary. And there is an exit slip today, so before you leave, make sure you hand in that exit slip. Looking at a quiz at this early next week, probably Monday. If you have any questions, please let your science teacher know.